Hello guys, good morning. A very freezing morning to all of you, and today I'm in the village. The village is in Uttarakhand and it is the border of UP and Uttarakhand called Udham Singh Nagar, and we came around 6:30. It's a very cold. The temperature is around 8 to 9 degrees Celsius, and I'm always prefer to show you the beauty with nature. I'm always prefer to jog with nature. So here's a very good calm place. You can see that the place where I'm jogging now, it's very calm, very relaxing, very peaceful. You can see that the sun rises half an hour before, and we started journey and we hit the road, and you can see that the trees, the plantation done by the farmers, the local farmers, and this place is called the best place. I'm already talking about the Indian Oxshire in Greater Noida, but this place in UP Uttarakhand border, it's very relaxing. I will show you the roads also. You can see that the roads, the tracks where the vehicles are running is neat and clean, a single lane roads, hardly 15 feet road, and it's very, very relaxing. If I'm showcasing you the another location, you can see that the front side of mine, a tube-well is there. You can see that the tube-well, the trees, the modification, this is natural. This is no need of modification required, but the things are very planned in the state, and I am regularly jogging there. From the last 1 week I am regularly jogging there, but sometime officially, unofficially, the things are changed. But you can, guys, really, when you are coming to the outside of the city and closest with the nature, you can see that the nature, nothing tracking, fitness, I'm showing you the nature. And this place is very relaxing, very calm, and come forward. मैं आपको बार बार यही कह रहा हूँ, आप लोग बाहर आएं. When you come outside, you will enjoy a lot. And you can see this side, a plain farm showcasing you the very beautiful place. And this will makes you more enthusiasm, more energetic, and more relaxed. And this is the way that we can do, release our stress and release our frustration, and what kind of diseases, hypertension, diabetes, sugars, everything. So I'm also, you can see that the backside of mine, this is a very beautiful, the little plants are planted by the farmers. You can see that I don't know the name of these plants, but these are very, very small plants. You can see that it's very calm, it's very relaxed, it's very beautiful. And guys, मैं आपसे अभी भी यही कहता हूँ कि जब भी आपको मौका मिले ना नेचर से बात करने का, ज़रूर बाहर आएँ, जॉगिंग करें, ऐसे बाहर आएँ, मगर नेचर से ज़रूर जुड़े रहें. डू मोर प्लांटेशन. देखिए यहाँ के फार्मर्स ने कितने अच्छे प्लांट्स लगाए हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े दरख्त हो गए हैं, और बड़ा मज़ा आता है जब आप बाहर आते हो, नेचर के प्रति जॉग करते हो, रिलैक्स होते हो, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. सो गाइज़, मैं अपनी वीडियोस में आपको हमेशा यही फिटनेस विद नेचर, बट गाइज़ दिस टाइम I'm not talking about the fitness, I'm only talking about the nature. And nature is very good. The temperature is around 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. I started 6:30. At this time the temperature was 8 degrees. I was enjoying a lot, and still my journey is not completed. 2 kilometers ruined, and 2 more kilometers I have to run. So guys, till then, keep happy, keep relaxing, and keep enjoying, and do justice with nature, and take care of your fitness also. That's very important. Thank you. Bye bye.